In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, informative dashboard that highlights the information your team needs at a glance. First, head to Smartsheet. If you're not already signed in, do that, then land on your home screen. From there, look for the option to start something new. Select Start a New Project, Program, or Process. This opens Smartsheet's creation experience so you can choose how you want to begin. Next, pick a new workspace starting point. You'll see several options here. Choose Dashboard. This sets up a dedicated canvas designed for visuals, summaries, and links, rather than rows and columns. When the dashboard template opens, click Get Started to create your blank dashboard. Now you're ready to add content. Begin with a title widget to name your dashboard clearly and set expectations with a short subtitle if you like. Consistent naming makes it easier for viewers to know what they're looking at. If you want to highlight key dates, add a timeline widget. Configure it to point to a sheet or report that includes the date fields you care about, so milestones and phases appear in order. To bring actual work into view, use a report widget. It displays rows from a Smartsheet report you've already built, so filters and grouping are managed in the original report and reflected on the dashboard automatically. For branding or visual separation, add an image widget for a logo or header banner. Choose a clear PNG or JPG and size it so it doesn't crowd the data. For at-a-glance KPIs, insert metric widgets. Connect each one to a specific cell or a sheet summary field that holds a number like total tasks, budget remaining, or completion percentage. If you need trends or comparisons, add a chart widget. Build the chart from a report or sheet with structured data. Then select a chart type that best fits your story. Bar or line for progress over time, pie for composition. Shortcuts help viewers jump to the right places quickly. Use the shortcut widget to link to key sheets, reports, dashboards, or external resources your team needs. Finally, rich text is perfect for context, instructions, or update notes so everyone understands what they're seeing and how to use it. Add these widgets based on the report or information you want to show in your dashboard. Arrange and resize them by dragging on the canvas, aligning edges for a clean layout. Remember, charts and metrics need a valid data source, so if something looks off, check that the connected sheet or report returns the results you expect. Save your work, and your new Smartsheet dashboard is ready to inform and guide your team.